I've been told I have to be quick because we have homes to build. I'm here with Leah.
Hi.
On Queen Square with little Ashwyn and also Tristan. Hiya. Now, the big question of the day is, why is Play Day so important?
Because I think it brings lots of children together from lots of different areas and lets them see that it's not always don't do this and don't do that and don't touch this. They can just do whatever they want, and what they feel like doing inside is allowed to just come out, and they can be anything and do whatever they like. And I think that is something that's been lost for a long time, and I think it's really important that we get that back.
Because we grumpy grown-ups, we're so used to going, no, don't do that, you might hurt yourself. And
yeah.
So today is a bit of a reminder.
I imagine there might be a few sort of nervous parents around today, but actually I think it helps them to see what can be done and what their kids are capable of as well.
Yeah, I think so far, touch wood, I've not seen too many, but they must be lurking on the sidelines watching tentatively.
Yeah, actually everybody seems to be getting stuck in, so yeah, good.
And have you been coming to Play Day regularly?
Yeah, we've come every year for the past 4-5 years, I think. I'm not sure how long it's been running actually, but we've been coming since he was this size. So yeah.
Right, well Tristan, I won't keep you any longer from we had a technical difficulty. We dropped the camera. That's Tristan's lovely house that's under construction. After that, I think it's time to give up. Thank you very much, Leah, Ashwyn, and Tristan, and enjoy the rest of Play Day.
We will.